Hello, welcome. Here are 6 delicious and easy recipes. Now, if you're living with alpha gal, you know the struggle is real when it comes to finding meals that are both safe and exciting. Well, today we're going to make things a whole lot easier. We're zeroing in on one of the best, most versatile proteins out there for the alpha gal lifestyle, chicken. Are you just stuck, in that dinner rut where you're eating the same handful of meals over and over again? Yeah, we've all been there. But don't worry, we've got your back. We are about to dive into some amazing new ideas that are not only 100% safe, but also super, super simple. All right, let's just get right to it. We've got 6 fantastic, totally mammal-free chicken recipes that are seriously designed to make you excited about getting back in the kitchen, minus all that stress and anxiety of checking every single label. So, first up, let's solve that eternal question, right? What's for dinner tonight? Well, we have got the perfect answer coming right up. Okay, first on the list, Southwest chicken taco bowls. Seriously, look at this. This is how you get that vibrant, fresh flavor you'd get at a restaurant right in your own kitchen, but, without that $15 price tag. And the best part, it's a whole, satisfying meal packed into one bowl. And just look at how simple the ingredients are. I mean, we're talking about total kitchen staples here. Grilled chicken, some black beans, corn, rice. It's kind of amazing how these simple things come together to create something that tastes so good. And the prep, oh, it could not be easier. You literally just cook the chicken with some seasoning, layer all those yummy ingredients in a bowl, and that's it. You're done. You've got this awesome meal that feels super healthy, but also kind of indulgent at the same time. All right, moving on. Let's talk about those crazy busy weeknights. These next couple of recipes, they are true weeknight heroes. We're talking big flavor, but with like minimal effort. Get ready, because this chicken spinach pasta is about to become your new favorite go-to. I mean, it looks so elegant and impressive, right? But here's the secret. It's one of the easiest meals you will ever make. It's just perfect for a weeknight. The real key here is just how simple and fresh the ingredients are. The magic really happens when you saute that garlic and spinach and then toss it all with a safe dairy-free Parmesan. Or, hey, even some nutritional yeast works great to get that classic cheesy flavor. And you know what's so brilliant about this? It's how fast it all comes together. While your pasta is boiling, you're sauteing the chicken and wilting the spinach. Then you just toss everything together. Boom. Dinner's on the table in like under 30 minutes. It's amazing. Okay, up next, we're talking about pure comfort in a bowl. And I mean pure comfort with absolutely zero worries about any hidden mammal products. Check this out. A creamy, and I say that in quotes, no dairy chicken and veggie soup. This is the definition of comfort food. It's thick, it's cozy, it's totally safe, and it just gives you that warm, fuzzy feeling with absolutely no regret. So you're probably wondering, how do you get that rich, creamy texture without any dairy? Well, here's the secret. It's a splash of full-fat coconut milk or maybe some oat cream. You just stir it in right at the very end, and it creates this perfect velvety finish. It's a game changer. And really, making a soup this satisfying is so easy. You just simmer the chicken, the broth, and all your veggies for about 20 minutes till they're tender. And then you stir in your creamy secret ingredient. That is literally all it takes. All right, now for a couple of recipes that are just pure fun. They're all about big flavor and satisfying those very specific cravings that, we all get from time to time. First up in this section, air fryer crispy chicken bites. Because let's be real, sometimes you just need some chicken nuggets and, a little bit of emotional stability. This recipe, it delivers on both counts. What I personally love about this recipe is how you can switch it up. You can use regular flour for a classic coating, or, and you've got to try this, crushed corn flakes for this amazing extra crunch. For the binder, an egg works, but so does plant-based milk. And then, of course, it is all about the dips. The air fryer is the real MVP here, though. It gets these bites perfectly golden and crispy in about 10 to 12 minutes. That's it. It's so easy to get that perfect, satisfying crunch. Okay, get ready for your new weeknight obsession. This honey garlic chicken. It's sweet, it's sticky, and it's so good it's almost dangerous. I'm telling you, you're going to want to make this one again and again. And the magic, it is all in the sauce. And guess what? It's just 5 simple ingredients. That mix of honey, soy sauce, or coconut aminos if you prefer, garlic, and ginger, it creates this perfect glossy coating that just clings to every piece of chicken. So here's the crucial step. You let that sauce simmer with the cooked chicken for just a couple of minutes. You're watching it thicken up. You want it to coat every single piece in that shiny, delicious glaze. Once it looks like that, that's when you know it's perfect. All right, so we've gone through all these incredible recipes, but before we wrap up, let's talk about maybe the single most important thing, how to keep your kitchen safe so that every single meal is completely worry-free. Okay, I need you to really lean in for this one because this is absolutely critical. You have to become an expert at reading labels. Seriously. Mantle products can hide in the sneakiest places. We're talking gelatin and taco seasoning, beef stock and something labeled chicken broth, dairy and dressings. You get the idea. So the number one rule is when in doubt, always, always double check. So there you have it. 6 amazing, totally safe, and really simple options right at your fingertips. The dinner rut is officially over. So the only real question left is, which one of these are you going to make first? Join me next time for more delicious Alpha Gal safe recipes.